Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start inside Messages, open a conversation, or tap New Message to begin. Once there, tap the app drawer icon beside the text field to expose messaging extensions. You need the digital touch icon, a little heart with 2 fingers, so tap it to enter the drawing canvas. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and responsive. Low battery or a locked screen can block gestures. Once the digital touch canvas appears, you're ready to draw, tap, or send quick animation. You now perform the gestures. Draw with 1 finger to create colored strokes. Pick a color before you draw so the animation uses it. Press and hold with 2 fingers to create a heartbeat pulse, and tap with 1 finger for taps or a single dot. If you press and hold then drag, you can produce a fireball. Lift your finger to send. Once done, glance at the preview, use the undo or clear gesture if needed, and tap the send arrow to deliver the touch. You finish by tapping the blue send arrow. Digital touch sends over iMessage, so make sure both you and the recipient have iMessage enabled. Once sent, you can press and hold the sent touch to save it as an image if you want a copy. If your touch fails to send, make sure cellular or Wi-Fi is active, iMessage is turned on in settings, and the Messages app has required permissions. Reboot the phone as a last resort and try again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.